On this episode of the Global Snowbirds, we check out Big Buddha before watching the sunset at one of the most epic spots in southern Phuket.
Sawadee-ka, Snowbirds! Welcome to another day here in Phuket. As you can see, there's a Big Buddha behind us, and that's because we're at Big Buddha in Phuket.
We had about an hour drive. We crammed 9 people into a 7-seater.
We sure did.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was good.
They're all walking away. Let's go!
Let's go! So, up here, we were quite surprised to find that there's still elephant trekking. And
oh my god, that's so heartbreaking.
Even more surprised to find that people are still doing it. Yes, quite angry.
These baby elephants tied in
So,
a concrete, like very small. Ugh, I don't even want to talk
I'm
about
sure
it.
our awesome audience that we have for our channel knows that you shouldn't be riding elephants, but if you don't go f***ing elephant trekking. Anyways, let's enjoy this Big Buddha, shall we? Shall we?
We shall.
We shall. That is a Big Buddha.
You're thinking of
Quite the Big Buddha. I think the view from up here is amazing too.
up there, Jack.
I haven't seen a no drone stand yet, so we might get lucky, guys. Might get lucky.
It's so beautiful. I'm pretty sure the whole thing is all marble. It's so gorgeous. Oh, and it's free. I forgot it already.
Some stuff about Steve Jobs. There's cool chanting going on here. It's really peaceful. Really peaceful. Try not to disturb it. Pretty spectacular temple. And we like that it's free. I think it might be my favorite. Yeah.
Really?
Are you being sarcastic?
No.
Oh, she wasn't being sarcastic.
It wasn't.
I think it's my favorite. My favorite Big Buddha. It's one of those wait your turn for viewpoint spots.
Yeah. Heading back to Terry and Jackie. Maya's mom and stepdad.
Well, that was fun. It's pretty beaut, gotta say.
Gonna take this opportunity to introduce some people.
Oh yeah.
Come
Say
on
hello.
in here, guys. Hi, I'm Sophie.
I'm not shy.
And
Taylor.
this is Terry's son. And we haven't introduced Paul, actually.
Oh, Paul.
Paul. Oh, as in?
You.
As in this Paul.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
King Paul, Chief
There we
Paul,
go. There we
PG,
go.
whatever you want to call him.
Ontarionian Paul.
King Paul works.
So King Paul is Terry's wife's cousin's husband.
Does that make sense?
And then this is Terry's cousin Kim. So the crazy thing is, me, Terry, and Kim,
And I'm Terry, and welcome to Thailand.
you already introduced yourself, remember?
I do remember, however, this is a new video, new people watching it, and you never know.
Yeah.
And so you
Yeah.
have to be prepared to just introduce yourself
That's
and
correct.
talk freely.
And we thought we were the YouTubers.
So me,
Going with it.
Terry, and Kim are all born in Stratford, Ontario. How crazy is that?
And if you want to know what,
JB.
if you want to know what Stratford's
the
claim to
JBs.
fame is, that's Justin Bieber's hometown. Anyways, we're heading out now. I think we're going to a rooftop bar or something like that. I don't know. Terry always just makes the plans and doesn't tell us anything. Says we're going here, and he doesn't say where here is. So, heading out.
9 people into a 7-seater.
Yeah, he's trying to pull
He's so
over.
sad.
Look at him. He can't reach the food.
So sad.
Okay, we've arrived at Kata Rocks is where we are. It's not the 360 rooftop club bar thing,
Should we walk?
but it's a lounge.
No, this is more fun. Oh,
This is more fun,
this is more fun, says Mayor.
and it makes for better footage. All right, we rolling. Okay. Well, I'm so happy right now. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Too
so small. Are we gonna freaking lock
We got this.
oh shit. Yeah, I think
Tuck your arms in. Hey, we made it.
this isn't fun anymore. I don't like this anymore.
I love this. This is great.
It's like the coaster at Quayland, only scarier.
No
I thought we were
seatbelts.
gonna freaking. Oh no. Oh my god. That's what she said. I guess right, Sam?
Just bail.
We almost freaking. Oh! Kapinka. That was terrifying.
That was great. What a thrill.
I thought we were gonna freaking go up.
Ooh, what a rush. I was not expecting a roller coaster. All right. Wow. That looks nice. It's pretty. It's got one of those pools that go on for infinity. Wow. That's fancy. It's an Instagram lover's dream. If only we're sexy enough to take one. This would be a good spot for my sexy Instagram shots.
Yeah.
Get the butt showing along the edge there.
Beautiful.
It's fancy.
I like this better.
We're at the very southern end of Phuket. We're in a place called Kata Beach. The view is incredible, and right now we're in the hotel called Kata Rocks. And there's recently was a super yacht party here, and it was a ton of fun. Wish you were here.
Heaven on earth. Heaven in Kata. We're all just wishing we had our bathing suits. Darn it. Terry didn't tell us to bring a bathing suit, so thanks, butthole.
Alright, what you got there?
I have a copper rose, whatever that is. It's delicious. In a pineapple.
Cái pineapple à bố bè.
We're gonna head home.
That's it for tonight, guys.
Is it?
That's it.
Yes, I suppose.
Thanks for coming with us. We got a pack for our days on Koh Phi Phi. We are boating there. Should be a pretty wicked shot. Pretty wicked time. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Know when you see you next one. Bye.
Today is going to be our most extravagant travel day. This definitely beats taking a public ferry.
Welcome to Maya Bay.
I'm crying! Be sure to check the links in the description for promos, discounts, packing, and more.
And of course, you can always visit our website for full itineraries, prices, and other resources.